So hi students, welcome to today's video. So it has been a very long time since the videos regarding the examinations for the food technology students. So now there is an opportunity for becoming the food analyst, or simply we called food analyst examination, just like qualifying examination. So these are the basic qualifications one should have to become a food analyst in FSSAI, right? FSSAI will not recruit food analyst simply like that. Like for example, they don't roll out notifications for fresh graduates inviting applications for food analyst. For example, in the last year, if you see the food analyst notification released by FSSAI, they explicitly mentioned that those who have cleared the food analyst exam conducted by FSSAI are only eligible to apply for the competition, that is the exam for permanent post in FSSAI for the post of food analyst, right? So this is the one of the basic steps, whether you are working in a private industry or a private quality control laboratories in ABL labs. So this exam is very much mandatory, and if you are lucky, you can get a chance to find a permanent job in the FSSAI as food analyst. Of course, becoming a food analyst in FSSAI is very difficult according to me, because it requires two exams to be passed, both junior and senior food analyst examination, and after that you have to appear for another examination conducted for the said purpose by FSSAI, and again one interview is there. So it is very hectic process. So now anyone having the food or other life science background related to food sciences can apply for this food analyst examination, right? So now they have been calling applications for the 7th food analyst and 4th junior food analyst examination 2021, right? So now we will be discussing what is the food analyst examination and what are all the types are there according to the users, and what is the last date to apply, like that, right? So last date actually they have revised due to this COVID situation and all. Now we will see one by one what is the food analyst examination is all about. So they have, you can see here, the original, that is a first notification rolled out by FSSAI is your 9th April. They have released the notification for 7th food analyst examination and for the junior analyst examination. So these two will be held simultaneously by FSSAI. So first they have planned to conduct on theory paper on 23rd May and practical on 17th and 18th July, and last date is 7th May. But now they have revised due to the COVID situation, right? So what is the new date according to FSSAI? So here you can see. So FSSAI maintains a separate portal for this examination. So application for 7th food analyst and for the junior food analyst examination. So important dates now, if you see, means on the right hand side you can see opening of online portal, submission of application 8th April. Last date for receipt of application is 7th June 2021, right? So 7th June till 7th June you have the chance to apply for this examination. And other details like the admit card and date of the theory examination will be announced later before the examination. So online examination cities they have provided: Delhi NCR, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, Cochin, Hyderabad, Chandigarh and Lucknow. And one more important thing to be noticed in this FSSAI food analyst examination, this is not a employment notice, right? Employment notice means if you clear this exam you will find job opportunities, permanent government job. This is not the like that one. Rather than we can say it is like a qualifying examination, like GATE we can say. If you qualify, they will provide a certificate. That certificate will be used for some finding employment opportunities, or some in private quality labs, food testing labs, they prefer the persons with this certificate, like that we can say. And again I'm saying, if you are lucky, you have the opportunity to appear for food analyst examination, right? And important instructions: candidates can apply only for one examination, that is either for 7th food analyst examination or 4th junior analyst examination, right? And the other instructions are candidates applying for 4th JAE will have to appear only for theory papers. That is junior candidates, right? Junior candidate without experienced people will have to apply only for theory papers. Whereas those who are applying for the 7th food analyst examination 2021 will also have to appear for practical examinations, right? So that is another point to be noted. And see the last point, examinations are not for providing employment by FSSAI. So this is very much important regarding the examination. So important links they have given. So we can see first, eligibility for 4th junior analyst examination. So junior analyst, the name itself suggests junior means a novice person, one who have completed his undergraduate and without having any experience in the food analysis. So that type of the candidates are called JAE. If you have completed your BTech food technology or microbiology, oil technology, dairy technology, and if you don't have any experience, then you are eligible for appearing in the junior analyst examination. So keeping in view of scarcity of food testing personnel and to encourage the fresh postgraduate to have job prospectus in food industry, the FSSAI decided to conduct this JAE examination. So what is the qualification, essential qualification? You can see the candidate should hold a master's degree in chemistry or biochemistry or microbiology or food technology. Master's degree you should be having, that is MSc or MTech, right? Or hold Bachelor of Technology in dairy technology or food or in veterinary sciences, etc. So both master degree holders like MSc, MTech also eligible, and at the same time the undergraduate students, Bachelor of Technology students in food technology, dairy technology, even BVSc candidates, veterinary science students are eligible for appearing in the examinations. And essential experience, no experience is required for appearing in junior analyst examination, right? And other things they have given, age limit, reservation and all, you can find in the notification, and the fees is 1,500. And the last point, if you see, the junior analyst, after acquiring 3 years mandatory experience in analysis of food, may appear only in paper 2. So as I previously said, this JAE, that is junior analyst examination, is for fresh graduates, and after that what they have to do, if they want to become food analyst, they should work in a food industry, that too in the quality testing of the foods. We call it as quality control department. So 3 years they should work, then only they are eligible for appearing in the your food analyst examination, right? So this is the basic qualification. Now coming to the 7th food analyst examination, right? So this is the second stage of the main stage. So this part you can see the essential experience for applying to 7th food analyst examination, not junior analyst, food analyst examination, is the candidate should possess not less than 3 years experience in the analysis of the food. That is, whether you are a BTech holder or MTech degree holder, you must have 3 years of experience in the analysis of the food analysis, in quality control or in analyzing the food items or in any quality testing laboratories. You should be working for 3 years, because what they will do, they will check the certificate whether you have the required experience, then only they will allow to appear for the examination. So if you have experience, 3 years of experience in food analysis, you can appear for 7th food analyst examination, right? And this is the same thing. So if you see, next year or maybe in the couple of years, food analyst permanent notification may come by FSSAI. So in that case, if you have passed this 2 examination, you can appear, you are eligible to appear for their selection process. Otherwise you are not eligible. So this is how the food analyst examination goes, right? So the main point to notice, there are 2 examinations under food analyst offered by FSSAI. One is junior and another is food analyst. So junior food analyst can be written by fresh graduates, either BTech or MTech or MSc degree holders. They can appear. Whereas in the food analyst examination, students or candidates must have 3 years of experience. Then only they can apply for food analyst examination. Don't waste your money in applying the food analyst examination, the without experience candidates. Once you clear these 2 examinations, suppose in future if any food analyst notification comes under FSSAI, you can apply for that one. If you have any doubt, just go through the food analyst recruitment notification, which is released by FSSAI in the February 2020 on their website, right? So if any queries, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you.